Make sure you video.
This water was not here
A half hour ago.
a half an hour ago before it started to rain.
We have water in our basement and we found the source. We now have a river in our front yard. Look.
And you can see how quickly the water's coming out.
We have a little waterfall.
You know what I mean?
Otherwise, all the water's going to go between the dirt and the retaining wall, and the retaining wall is going to start.
It's going over the Bulow River.
So named.
Is the water level going down? I mean, it has to be, right?
Well, remember it was below, it was above the fence. See how the fence is all wet? Really bad.
Yeah.
So the plumber comes over and he unscrews the faucet thing, and he cleans it out. And it was like so disgusting. Like we've been drinking this water, you know, and like that was our farm water. And he cleans it out, he puts it back on, and it like whoosh, it like gushes out.